Ooh, okay. Ons het nou begin. This game is about blinking. Okay. Ons moet blink, julle. Ons moet blink. Ons moet blink. See every time you blink, something happens. Okay. The game will notice. See how this works. Okay, so hoe die game werk is, alles hang van die blinks af. Alles hang van die blinks af. Try blinking on the white symbol. Okay. When you see a metronome and blink. Okay. Daar's hy. You'll jump forward in time. Okay. Beesbaas, dankie vir die popular. Hallo julle, hoe gaan dit? Okay. Keep blinking. Wow, die mis is besig om weg te gaan. Okay. Hey, wag, daar's 'n bootjie. Ek sien hy is daar onderaan gaan, daar's 'n bootjie daaronder. Wag, is ons in die see, hallo? Dit lyk interesting. Julle, ek sê vir julle. Ons het nou net begin en die game vang maar al klaar om onder die kant. Lyk, ek klink my ons is in die hawe.
It's mine.
Of dit lyk my ons is dalk 'n visvanger of iemand.
Well, hello there, stranger.
Okay, hallo? Hallo?
Bright and shiny one.
Wie's jy?
I ask you for your name.
Okay, never
sadly
mind.
You got no mouth
Never
to
mind.
speak with, or
Ons is nie meer 'n normale
hand
visvangmensie.
to shake with, or nose to look down with. So we're gonna have to find another way. See, what you'll
is ek?
find is,
Ek ken hom.
even though you're no longer in your body's still inside of you.
Huh?
If that makes any sense. So, if you understand what I'm saying, blink
Okay.
over my hand here.
Okay. I understand,
Ooh, look
chom.
at that.
Ek weet nie eintlik waarvan jy praat nie. Maar
Yeah, I knew you were special. You see all them poor souls down there, lost in the waves? I didn't choose any of them. I chose you.
jo, okay.
See,
Okay.
I just sometimes get a sort of a hunch, or what's a better word? Notion? Better word than that.
Ek like die vibe van hierdie
A
game.
premonition when a soul's worth pulling up.
So al daai is dooie mense basies en hy het nou
See
my
that
uit die water
tower
uitgetrek.
Big scary one.
Jo, okay.
That's
Hallo
why I'm
julle.
taking you to see the gatekeeper, to be judged.
Oh no, okay.
I'm gonna present your case. Tell her the whole story of your
Idea.
entire life, from prow to stern. Now, if she's impressed, I get paid the big coin, and you get yourself a spot in her magnificent city.
Okay.
If she ain't, well, I eat seagull for dinner again, and you, well,
Okay.
we don't have to
I
worry
like
about
it.
that,
I like
because
it.
I am the best orator you'll find on these sickly waters. Class A storyteller.
Ek hoeveel mense is daar, by the way?
Oh, shut up, you trash birds.
Hi, Shane.
You had your chance. It wasn't my fault you were no good. Layabouts. Unsatisfactory.
Wat raak alles nou so donker? Hallo? Wat gaan nou aan? Alles was so happy. Okay. Wat? Okay. Die okay. Dis baie okay.
Sorry you had to hear that.
Wat is hierdie ou ooit? Is hy 'n hond? Is hy 'n kat? Is hy 'n wat? Ons is nou op pad na die okay.
Maybe I'm not the most verbose storyteller out there, but I know how to spin a yarn if I'm given something to work with. And that's where you come in.
Gemix tussen 'n hond en 'n kat.
You're gonna show it to me. I want to see exactly what made you so absolutely
Hey, Dion, dankie vir die help nie.
great. So, just think back
Okay.
to the very beginning.
To the very beginning, okay.
First
Hey
thing
Queenie.
that you can remember. I'm gonna send you there. But understand, no matter how much you like it, you're not gonna be able to stay, alright? Every time you blink, you're going to jump forward in time. Could be a second, could be 5 years. That's just how this thing works. Alrighty then. I hope he's ready for this. Now, the next time that you
ons gaan nou deur ons lewe gaan.
Back. Don't be afraid.
Hey Queenie, dankie vir die help me en die go popular.
The thing to remember about blinking is, well, it's only a matter of time.
Okay. Hey Lola, dankie vir die help me. Okay, julle vanaand voordat ons nou blink.
I'm touched you enjoy my company.
Voordat ons nou blink.
Really but
gaan ek net vir julle sê ons speel die game se naam is Before Your Eyes. So ja, dit is nogal 'n lekker game. Baie om oor te dink.
And just try to enjoy it this time.
Okay. Julle kry julle popcorn. Hallo julle. Kry julle popcorn, kry julle koeldrank. Ons is nou in vir 'n wild ride.
Look at that sun.
Okay, so ons is nou basies terug in ons
We've got
lewe.
a long, beautiful day ahead of us.
Wag, wie praat nou?
Why are
Hallo?
you smiling like that?
Wie praat nou? Oh, wag. Ons op die strand. Okay. Hey. Feeds met die tier 1 subscription. On a streak of 2 months. Hey, dankie Feeds vir die tier 1 en geluk met die 2 months. Baie dankie. Okay, so okay. Hierdie begin nou sin te maak. Away unknown. Hierdie begin nou sin te maak. Ons het
Let's go get you some seashells. What do you say?
in die begin was ons dood, soos ons was dood gewees. En die ou wat ons mee gepraat het, hy was soos die Undertaker basies. En hy het nou laat ons teruggaan toe ons 'n kind was. So, ons is nou 'n kind, so ek neem aan hierdie is my ma.
That's called Nagave. 11 years from now, that
okay.
dies so it can give birth to
Louisa, dankie vir die help me. Die game se naam is Before Your Eyes, julle.
The day really slipped away, didn't
Hey
it?
Marika.
Oh well, days have a tendency to do that, I guess. Where's the first page of my
Kyk hoe
piece?
mooi is die.
I can't find it anywhere. Did I?
Hey, okay, daar's die voeltjie. Ai, unknown, daai is nie lekker nie, bro. Wag, so ek moet okay. Kom ons blink. Daar's hy.
Okay. Go ahead, kid.
Dit lyk goed daarso farm en daarso.
Look at that.
O, so okay. Ons naam is Benny. Okay, so ons is Benny.
Every birthday.
Daai seker my pa. Daai seker ons pa.
To see how it grows?
Okay.
Man, the zoom on this thing is fantastic.
So ons gaan nou deur ons lewe. Ons gaan nou deur ons lewe van toe ons 'n klein laaitie was tot ons basies dood gegaan het.
Oh, you want to play along with mommy, don't you?
Okay. Kan ek speel?
I'm sure you'll be better than me
Okay.
soon enough.
Julle ons speel Before Your Eyes. Dit is die game se naam. Dis nogal baie dis 'n baie goeie indie game. Farm, dankie vir die GG Marika, dankie vir die haat met die 6 rosies. Ek waardeer. Okay. Okay, so ek neem aan ons nou in die bad. Chardelise, dankie vir die haat.
Sounds good, honey.
Waar is ek nou? Oh, nou pa. Hou nou hy handdoek styf vas asseblief.
Perfect to me.
Hou nou hy handdoek net styf vas. Ek vra jou mooi. Please, bra. Please.
I like the music.
Hey, farm. Dankie vir die game controller. Ek waardeer.
I also like the person playing it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm worried that might have something to do with it.
Let's go. Okay. Kom ons maak so. Phoebes, dit is nogal. Dit is nogal.
Look at his little face. What do you think he's thinking about?
okay, so hierdie is ons eerste memory van wat julle weet mos toe julle ook kinders was, toe sien julle prentjies in die wolke en goed. So hierdie is nou ons eerste memory van die prentjie in die wolke.
Do you think he's going to be smart?
Okay. Dankie vir die follows julle.
We're both pretty smart.
Yeah, but
That doesn't mean he's going to be.
Ai, my ouers sê ek gaan dom wees.
No, it's not derivative.
Wag, ek teken.
At least I didn't think it was.
Okay, daai is nou. Daai is nou 'n goeie teken. Die faam, dankie vir die handmie.
Right. No, I'm sorry.
Okay, daai maak meer sin vir 'n babatjie. Daai maak meer sin vir 'n babatjie.
Okay, I understand. Thank you for considering my piece, John.
It
really means a lot.
Oh, okay, so ons ma se kunstenaar. Okay, daai maak meer sin.
Oh, that's sure a little mess of color.
Daai maak meer sin. So dis kom ons nou probeer. Teken.
Hey, we do not throw things in this house. If you're mad that you aren't good enough yet,
Hallo Nikki.
you'll just have to keep working at it.
Okay.
You know, one day you'll be able to paint exactly what you have in your head.
Ek wonder,
you're a real artist.
Ek wens hulle sê vir my hoe oud ek is hierso.
Unlike your poor mom.
Hi, shame. So, okay, ek neem aan sy het nou iets geteken en toe sy iets geteken het toe julle weet mos soos kunstenaars, hulle gee mos hulle art pieces in vir die groot plekke vir 'n sekere prys en dan sê die plek of hulle dit nou wil vat of nie. So ek neem aan hulle het nou vir haar gesê ons wil dit nie hê nie. Hey fam, dankie vir die super GG. Ek waardeer baie, dankie. Marika, dis soos memories ek neem aan. Soos ons dink terug aan ons jonger dae.
See? That
Wat's
used to be
hierdie?
my
Wow, dis 'n memory book.
My dad gave it to me.
Dis 'n memory book.
He loved
Hey Nikki.
music.
Hey Andrieg.
Fled his home country just to have a chance to pursue it.
Okay, so sy's 'n kunstenaar en 'n musician.
Much. I hated it at first.
Wow, okay. Ons het 'n keuse. Okay, dis nice.
Conducting the high school choir.
So daai is ons oupa.
Never said anything though.
Hierdie is ons oupa. Hy was 'n musiekmeneer.
Silent type.
Hy was 'n musiekmeneer, okay.
Can you believe I grew up in the snow?
It's good to know.
And I came all the way out here to the beach. I don't even know
Ek dink ook so ver, ek dink ook so.
Dad got his job and I just came with him.
Hey Marika, dankie vir die 5 rosies. Waar is ons nou?
Hey Benny.
Oh Benny.
Ready to see something really special?
Maak oop.
I just don't want.
Hierdie is ek bet jou hierdie is ons eerste hond.
What?
What's the cutest thing I've ever seen?
Okay, nee, shame. Ek kan nie so maak nie. Dit beteken nie dat ek 'n katmens is. Is Benny nie 'n katmens nie. Benny het sy eerste katjie gekry.
Yeah, what's wrong with that?
We can't keep him.
Ek het eers gedog die kat is dood. Ek het gedog ek maak 'n boks oop met 'n dooie kat. Maar toe begin die ding beweeg, toe raak ek weet, okay, dis fine. Dis fine. Invincible, ek is op YouTube, ja, is in my TikTok bio.
I'm pretty much definitely allergic, so no, right?
Wag, hier. Hier's hulle.
Find someone to take him. But while he's here, I say we call him Ernie.
Ou Ernie.
Little Ernie.
Sy naam is Ernie, okay. Ons moet onthou vir ou klein Ernie.
Sweet. I think someone likes his new cat.
Richard.
What?
Okay, so my ma is allergies vir 'n kat en my pa like die kat baie duidelik.
Right. I believe that. I know where this is going.
Okay.
For now, honey.
Moes klik. Oh, ons het vir Ernie gehou. Oh, hey. Oh, never mind die manies.
Now play the C major chord I taught you.
C major.
There you go. Doesn't that make you feel happy?
Just like it. Hoe oud is ek? Teen die size comparison wat ek is, nee, ek is soos 2 jaar oud en ek begin klaar met die klavier.
Very good.
Okay.
Just one note different.
Oh, Ernie!
Yeah, doesn't it?
Oh, Ernie, kom help my.
One little change can make on how a person feels.
Oh, die ma is so allergies vir die kat. Die ma is so allergies vir die kat.
Piano there.
So okay, ons is nou besig met klavierklas so 10 to 1. Okay.
She was in grad school studying composition.
Oh, okay, so Richard is ons pa. Oh.
I just prayed to God I could somehow keep up.
Okay, so Richard is ons pa.
Professor.
Daai maak meer.
Wow,
hy's 'n professor. Just like it. Almal is professors en juffrouens in my familie.
Which I very quickly
Sit ek op sy skoot? Waar is hy? Vertel waar is hy? Julle, die game se naam is Before Your Eyes. Mama doen kuns, so jy moet ook.
God, she dragged me to so many places.
Egypt, okay.
Wonderful.
Daai lyk soos Italy.
You can only go to one.
Where would you want to go if you can only go to one? Julle kan hierdie een kies. Ek wil sien waarna toe sal julle wil gaan. So julle wil Egypt toe gaan by die pyramids of sal julle Greece toe wil gaan daar waar Mamma Mia geshoot was? Ek sal Greece toe wil gaan. Ek hou nie van sand nie. Eerlik maar opinie. I don't like sand, bra. Greece. Ja nee. Kyk, Greece is mooi. Greece is baie mooi. Ek like Greece verskriklik baie. Greece, ja nee. Julle? Daar stem ons nou. Greece. Okay. We would like to go to Greece, Papa, please.
Well, just remember to put on sunscreen. Man, I gave you some unfortunate jeans, didn't I? Luckily, Mom gave you some good ones, so, yeah, let's hope they balance each other out.
Ek wonder hoe oud is ek nou? Hulle gee my nie 'n age wat ek nou is nie. Ek Ons gaan waar die pad ons vat, hy's waar. Dit is so Phoebes, die game is genoem Before Your Eyes, want jou hele lewe flash before your eyes nou, want onthou, in die begin van die game, ons karakter wie ons nou speel, nee, ons karakter wie ons nou speel, hy is dood, ons karakter is dood, so ons is nou besig om ons lewe te replay. Oh nou, Chom, ek dink klavier is vir jou nie, dood eerlik. Oh, wag, het ons nou ouer geword? Raak ons nou ouer of... Okay, wag. Die begin meer sin te maak. Wag, is ek nou besig om te groei of is ek besig net op die stoel te klim? Okay.
Wait, is that's my piece.
Okay, hierdie maak nie sin nie. Hierdie maak nie sin nie. Die note wat ek druk hier is nie wat ek speel nie.
He's playing my piece. He must have figured it out by ear. I mean, I was a gifted kid, but he's brilliant.
Okay.
We
Okay,
need to
so
get him in serious piano lessons.
Ek het die musiek binne my.
Sure, but
January.
Anyone who might be a good teacher for him?
What?
Wat is
I
almal?
mean, in the city, sure. Not out here, I don't.
I mean, I know someone who might be up to the task.
Die ma moet my leer.
Very gifted.
Richard, no one in this town knows anything. Maybe I'll just have to do it myself.
Dis van die pa
Good idea.
gepraat. Dis presies waarvan hy gepraat het.
But who's this mysterious woman you're talking about?
Oh my,
I
okay.
hope you're not in love with her.
You know, I really was for a while, but then she revealed herself to be much stupider than I thought.
What are you talking about?
Don't worry about it.
Die pa soos ek love it. Die pa soos ek. Joy, ek doen ja, ek ken dit. Het hy sy oog teruggegroei? Nee, hy het nie. Never mind, ek dog hy het sy oog teruggegroei.
Oh God, I have my interview in 5 minutes and I completely forgot to feed him.
Ek kan nie glo hierdie ou katjie is nog met ons nie. Oh. Okay, so ek kan teken ook. Okay. Hier is ons katjie.
I forgot what a great father you are.
Focus on the interview, honey. I got this.
Wat sy naam nou weer? Wat sy katjie se naam nou weer? Okay, ons is nog verskriklik jonk. Nou dat ek sien uit die bord uit wat Ernie, daar's hy, Ernie. Ek het gedog ons is so 6, 7 jaar oud, né? Okay. 8, 9 jaar oud. Maar hierdie bordjie sê my bietjie verskillend. Okay. Ek wens hulle het my 'n ouderdom gegee.
Excuse me, of course, sir.
Wat ons is.
Into folders, sitting ready on my
Wow, okay, iets het nou gebeur. Ons het nou iewers gebly die time circuit. Ernie, jy is nou eweskielik baie meer oud. Wat gaan hier aan met al die paperwork? O, ek seker ons nou in skool. Stay, ek ken dit, ja, ek ken dit. Ons is seker nou in skool, so nou begin ons... Okay, ons begin beter te teken, en... Okay. Ek het die beste verskoning om by die skool te sê, juffrou, die kat het op my huiswerk gepie. Bro, ek het video evidence. I got video evidence of it happening. Let me cook, dankie vir die rosie. Luanay, dankie vir die rosie. I got video evidence, juffrou.
When's he coming?
I'm flying him out in February, remember? You know, I think he was pretty surprised that I could actually afford to do that.
Oh, Ernie! Jy raak nou oud!
You're a working woman now.
I guess that's true.
Don't let it go to your head, but yeah.
Hoekom klink almal so moedeloos ewe skielik?
Please, let the cat know. It's time to use the litter box, though.
Baby steps. He's got one eye.
Kom ons sien. Hoe goed is ons nou eintlik om te teken? Okay, ons raak beter. Ons begin vaste kos te eet. Ons eet nou noedels ten minste. Waar is ons ma nou? Okay, hy is duidelik nie lus vir ons nou nie. Hier gaan ons.
It's called a metronome. We use it to measure time so we don't get lost in the music.
Okay.
I want you to start using it before Grandpa comes to visit.
Dis die ding wat ons so geheeltyd gebruik om deur die ouderdomme te switch.
You know, my father once told me, when I was about your age, the only way to fight against time
Welcome
is to create
home.
a work of genius, which might live on after you're
Okay.
gone. So I asked him.
O, ja, ek het vergeet hoe gebruik mense hierdie goed. Hoe laer mense die ding beweeg, hoe vinniger gaan hy.
Genius, just as I was.
Okay. Now I'm beginning to remember
He
this.
said, yes,
Soos dit.
I suppose. If you
Hoe
made
oud
a
is ek nou?
genius, I could live on
Oh.
I haven't seen him in over 10 years.
Oh, so daai is ons oupa. Okay.
I wonder if he'll even recognize me.
So ons ma het haar pa 10 jaar laas gesien. En hy het ons seker dan nog eers ontmoet nie. Okay. Hallo? Wat nou? Waar is ek nou? Dis nou eweslik donker. Hallo? Is ek besig om na die foon toe te loop? Ek weet nie, ek kan nie sien nie. Is ek? Okay, ja, ek is. Moet ons nou bly tot die foon? Okay, nee, ons moet nie. Wat het nou gebeur? Alles is nou donker. Dankie vir die follows, julle. Okay, so die foon het gelei. Maar wat het gebeur toe die foon gelei het? Wie het ons gebel?
You really need to stay in time with the metronome, okay?
Ag, dankie tog. Ek dog my ma het dood gegaan. Ek dog dis hoekom dit alles so swart gegaan het. Ek dog sy is nie meer met ons nie. Dankie vir die follows, julle. Anja, dankie vir die aardbie. Okay, so ons moet nou
Subdivide the time. 1e and a 2e and a 3e and a 4e and a 1e and a 2e and a 3e and a 4e. You're
Ons
off.
begin goed te raak. Ek sê affie.
Off, Ben.
Ek sê affie, ek's aan. Ma, asseblief. Dis my eerste keer. Dis my eerste keer.
There you go, buddy. Okay, now keep a firm grip on it. Just like that.
Okay, there you go. Hey, ons het die eerste kamera gekry.
Oh my.
Ek's bly Ernie is nog saam met ons. Ek's bly Ernie is nog saam met ons.
Turn around, El. So
Wacht,
we
waar
can
is ek?
photograph you.
Awie, mami! Mama! Mama! Ek wil 'n foto neem.
I'm just
Okay.
really
Never mind.
behind right now.
Sy wil nie in die foto wees nie.
Why don't you take photos in the backyard? It may not be interesting at first, but
Okay, ek sien duidelik wat hier aangaan. Die storie gaan al hoe hartseer begin raak omdat werk ons ouers se lewe oorgeneem het.
if you keep going back out there every day, you'll be surprised by how much it changes.
Kyk hoe lyk dit al hier. Vergelyk dit hoe dit nou lyk, nê, en hoe dit in die begin gelyk het. In die begin o, sy speel nie eens meer klavier nie. Die klavier is heeltemal toegepak. So alles begin nou downhill te gaan. Okay. Oh, is dit ten minste 'n redelike alrighterige play area.
Ernie!
Ja!
Ernie, we need you!
Oh! Is hy al het Ernie verloor?
Got eaten by a coyote.
Al het Ernie verloor. Lost cat Ernie.
Just say?
Al het vir Ernie verloor.
I'm really worried. Here, can I get
Bra.
it?
God,
Al het ons kat verloor.
I'm worried too.
I know, sweetie.
Oh, Ernie!
Hey! Kid!
Jy joke.
Come to Papa!
Al het Ernie verloor.
I know you're mad about last night, but this is ridiculous.
Daar nie nog 'n plek.
Oh, God.
Bra, Ernie is weg.
So you're saying it's a coincidence?
Hey, never mind.
Comes back with a huge belly?
But Ernie's a boy.
And you're sure about that?
Ernie het op 'n avontuur gegaan en Ernie is nou pregnant. So Ernie is eintlik Ernet. Ernet is pregnant, julle. ons is nou 'n papi. Ernie is nou Ernet.
And that was based on. Say that one more time.
Oh, Ernie!
I'm still not understanding how you
Whoa.
let this happen.
I don't know.
Wow. Wat 'n groot jump het ons nou gehad. Nikki, dankie vir die hulp nie.
You just happened to find a stray cat in the alley.
Okay.
Even though I hate cats. And now
Ons is
it
nou
happens to pop up
papa.
5 more.
Ons is nou papa. Ons het nou baie kindertjies.
Sorry, I didn't realize you hated cats.
For a professor of signs and symbols, you're really bad at reading them.
Jo, okay.
Okay, that's funny. That's
Die
really...
ma begin al hoe meer buiterig
I
te
let us
raak.
keep him for Benny. And I'm happy about that. But I really can't have 5 cats around the house. It's just not sustainable.
Die ma begin baie buiterig te raak. Abs, ons gaan nou sien, ja. Ons gaan nou sien.
He keeps coloring the grass blue, the ocean green, and then the sky red.
And what's wrong with that?
Waar is die pa? Ek
No,
sien
are
hom
you
nooit.
kidding? I love it. Being able to pick up the new book.
Oh, alles raak nou ouer.
I meant Benny's book.
So ons okay, so ons begin nou deur ons fases te gaan, hè. Ons begin nou deur ons fases te gaan. No problem. Thank you. I appreciate it. I appreciate you like the TikTok, sê. Julle, ons is regtig, ons raak nou so ouer in die game, so ons teken nou nie meer nie, ons speel nou met die speelgoed. Okay. Ons is nou in ons tienerjare. Okay, ja, kyk die lente, ons raak nou eweskielik baie langer. Wat gaan hier nou weer? Iets klink of 'n knor. Hallo? Dit klink of brother, wat gaan daar buite aan? Dit klink asof iets knor. Phoebes, hierdie game is op die koppe R100, wat nogal nie te bad is nie. Wat maak so? Hallo? Bra, moenie vir my sê hierdie game is 'n horror game. Moenie dit sê nie. Is iets besig om vir Ernie te eet? Is iets besig om vir Ernie te eet? Brother, hierdie klink soos 'n hond wat besig is om iets te eet. Oh no. Hallo? Ek kan nie nader beweeg nie. Dis so ver as wat ons kan gaan. Oh no.
I know, it seems impossible
Okay.
that you could ever play something so complex.
Okay. Die tens. Wat speel ons nou? Die Leatherstock. Okay.
But just take it one day at a time. Trust me.
Okay. Volgende bladsy. Hoe oud is ons nou? Wow, dis al Oktober, is Halloween.
You're really getting there, honey.
Wow,
Next
okay.
week we'll start working on your other hand.
Okay, ons is hier. Ons begin nou Desember, is Kersfees. Dis die 24, okay, dis 2 aande voor Kersfees. Die tyd begin nou te vlieg. Okay.
Listen to him, Richard. I'm enlisting him in that competition.
I thought you said competitions took the joy out
Okay.
of music.
Not if you win.
So ek neem aan ons het nou die hele liedjie geleer. Daar's hy. We got the whole song, hey. We got the whole song. So die hele liedjie gekry. Die hele liedjie. Iets beter nie gebeur met Ernie nie. Ek sê daai ding. Julle, ek dink die volgende datum wat ons al nou gaan is Januarie of Februarie. Ek sê dit nou al. Okay, never mind. Waar is ek nou? Amper dog ek iemand se begrafnis. Hallo julle.
Screws on each brick. 2 washers on each screw.
The quiz said find the zero, and he just drew an arrow pointing to it.
Dis wiskunde. Ons is op daai ouderdom. Beesblaas, ek het al vergeet om dit te doen. En ek gaan as ek dit doen wil ek dit reg doen. Ek wil nie nou my kommentaar maak. Ek het al vergeet om daai goed te doen.
Well, what's wrong with that?
I mean, everything is.
Nee, dis normale wiskunde, never mind. Ek dog is algebra. Dis maar net jou normale breuke met jou plus en minus. Hierdie is so graad. Hierdie is graad wat? Dis graad 3, graad 4. Graad 3 of 4. Ek neem aan dis graad 3. Graad 3 ja. Nee, nie 5 of 6 nie. 5 of 6 het ek bietjie moeiliker goed gedoen. Hierdie is definitief graad 3. Hierdie is graad 3 se tipe wiskunde hierdie. Moenie sê ek gaan wiskunde sien as my lewe voor my oë flash nie. Julle, dit sal die sadste memory wees. Dit sal my sadste memory wees. Okay. Wow, ons kamer gaan nou seker verander met die ouderdom wat ons nou is, nê?
Congratulations, B.
Wow, ons het
Many, I'd assume.
Wow. Okay, so ons het nou al 1, 2, 3 trofies gewen vir klavier. Ons het nou al 3 trofies gewen vir klavier. Ons het nou al ons computer gekry.
I want that box full by the time I come.
Giveaway. Oh, the giveaway box. Ons speel nie meer met die speelgoed nie, so ons gaan die speelgoed weggee. Ja, mense kan sien ons is nou 'n tiener. Ons het 'n Be slow while crossing the street sign gesteel langs die pad. Ek weet baie van julle tieners het baie van daai stopstrate gesteel. ek weet julle het baie stopstrate binne julle slaapkamers. Ek weet, ek het al gesien. Ja, die stopstrate nee. Hey Mela, dankie vir die heartbeat. Dankie vir die follow julle. Okay, wat so okay, time. Okay, so ons is nou seker so Wie's Chloe?
Not my house.
Wie's Chloe? You're not my house. What? Chloe?
Fall back, you fool.
What? Dis ons nuwe neighbor. Wat se app is daai, Nikki?
If you actually got me a playscape, I'd want to play inside. That's not fair, Chloe. You're not.
Oh, okay, dis ons nuwe neighbor. Okay.
You're
okay.
not there.
Okay.
Hey you. Yeah, you.
Ah!
Over here.
Ek skaam, ek wil nie. Waar is die voels?
Yes, Mr.
Okay, daar's die voels in die aan. Kyk daar! Daar sit ook 'n lossie. Okay, neem maar, ek loop na toe. Neem die som. Ja, daai.
Out here taking photos. You know, if you really want to take a photo of something cool, you should take a photo of this.
My ma het gesê ek mag nie foto's neem van mense nie.
Oh shoot. I think I gotta go. But should you take a photo of me running into my house? I'm pretty fast, so I don't think you'll be able to. But you can try.
Kom ek try. Okay, never mind, ek het nie. Ek het nie eens te verwag.
Quiet everyone.
Wow, ons is nou by 'n klavier ding is dit. Ons is nou by 'n talent show.
Wow, L, he's unbelievable. My God, I didn't realize our head of accounting was
Hierdie maak nie sin nie.
Prodigy.
Didn't you used to be a composer yourself, so?
No, I don't know if I'd say that.
But you used to write your own music, right?
Yeah, but I haven't done that in years. Not
Okay.
since he was 4
Waar is jy
or 5
nou?
years old.
Ons is nou...
And what do you
Ons is seker nou 16.
He's a professor.
Jy wikkel daai, ek sê daai ding.
Well, no one really knows.
Hoe oud is ons nou?
The class.
Okay, Bet, sy gaan jou vrou wees.
My name is Mr. Isaac.
Mr. Isaac! World history! Okay, wie hier so stem geskiedenis is seker een van die stupidste vakke op skool. Brother, ek wil nie leer wat gebeur het 300 jaar terug nie. Dit gaan my nêrens help in my lewe nie. ek kan nie, ek verstaan nie, bro. Professor Isaac.
Hey, you. Look on your desk. I wrote you some...
What is Chloe? Kom ek lees gou daar. Mr. Isaac, shh. We are the same. We are in the same class. What a coincidence. Please keep in mind that while we're at school, we don't know each other. Do not talk to me ever.
Now, I will
Don't even look at...
Daai is die mooiste manier om iemand sleg te sê. Daai is die mooiste manier om te sê, kykie, ek like jou nie, jy ken my nie. As jy met my praat, gaan ek maak asof ek jou nie ken nie. Ek dink dit gaan 'n love note wees, bro.
Chloe, tell me, what did the quote say?
Oh no, ek het nie gekyk wat die quote gesê het nie. Ek het nie gesê, nee, hierdie het regtig met my gebeur op skool. Ek het nooit aandag gegee wat op die witbord is nie.
Taking notes, weren't you, Chloe?
Oh, yes, of course.
Oh no.
Come on, Gary.
Whisper the answer. Skus, ek gaan jou nie help nie. Jy gaan detensie kry en ek gaan dit like. Nou moet ek haar help. Jy's mal in jou kop. Jy het sopas vir my bloody briefie geskryf. Jy wil niks vir my te doen hê nie.
Chloe?
Kom Chloe. Kom Chloe. Detensie. Detensie. Stryd, ek gaan hierdie ding raam. Ek gaan hierdie ding op my muur raam. Ja, Wilmos.
I tried to convince your father not to buy you that thing, but he insisted. Half suspect he...
Hey, dankie tog. Ons weet nou hoe oud ons is. Ons is 11 jaar oud. Skree daaroor. Ons is nou 11 jaar oud. Wag, ons het 'n PlayStation 1 gekry.
I will admit that. Oh, I want the job of whoever gets paid to think of that crap.
Wee, ons het 'n PlayStation 1 gekry. Wee, bro. That's nice.
I've definitely seen you next door, but I didn't realize you guys had become friends.
Oh, sure.
Wat soek Chloe in my huis? Ek het nie hierdie gegreenlight dat ons vriende kan raak nie. Ek het nie hierdie gegreenlight nie.
I don't know what I'd do without old Benny.
Very sweet. Thank you for playing this game with him.
You are not my friend, by the way. Since you refused to help me in class, I decided our relationship is purely transactional. Okay, shut up. I really want this one. Maybe I'll use Tickle Stick.
Bra.
It's called a...
Ek verstaan nie, die vrou maak my die mekaar. Roan, ons is besig met Before Your Eyes. Wat se 11-jarige praat so? Sy gebruik jy vir jou PlayStation. Jo. Hoe oud is ek nou? Wow, hallo?
It's about an hour away in a town called Burton. I know the change can be scary, but I just want you to go in and meet the dean I spoke with.
Wow, ons gaan nou na 'n ander skool
Life
toe.
can take you to some incredible places if you're really, really good at something.
Okay.
So what do you think, Benjamin?
Ek like
You
dit nie
could
nie.
excel in that sort of an environment?
Ek doen nie. Jou skool is gemors
Sorry,
oom.
he gets very shy.
Nee.
Oh,
Slegte skool.
not to worry.
Slegte skool.
If he's as gifted as you say he is, shyness is no problem.
Nou wat van Chloe?
Why don't you two come back
weet nie.
closer to the end of the year for an audition? We'll get a few pieces that you can have him start with.
Dis 'n musiekskool.
I'm eager to hear what your son is capable of.
Dis 'n musiekskool, okay. Maak al jaloers met iemand anders.
So, I understand you were a musician yourself. Where did you study?
Oh no.
Berkeley. But I was in the composition department.
Ah. And who did you study under?
John MacDonald?
John MacDonald at a farm. Wat moet ek raai? Wat is die goeie nuus? Hey Tian.
I understand he's very difficult.
Yes. Taciturn is the word I used.
Taciturn.
Okay.
Yes. People have described me that way, if you can...
Oh, wat alles nou so stil. Wat alles nou so stil. Dankie vir die follows, julle.
As you can see, there are some very fast runs in there. And a lot of stuff I've not taught you properly yet. So no pressure. I just want you to try.
Ek raak duiselig as ek as ek na hierdie goed kyk. Ek raak duiselig as ek hierdie goed kyk, bro.
Just like to see you really rap.
Hey, dankie vir die follows, julle.
Just this once. I wish I had the option of going to a school like that when I was your age. I wouldn't be working this boring job or living in this boring town.
Brother, wat gaat hier aan? Krampel.
What was that?
Gooi weg. Gooi weg. Gooi weg.
What's going on with you these days?
Ek wil nie hierdie doen nie, ma.
Kid you're supposed to be.
Ek doen nie, ek wil nie hierdie doen nie. Gooi dit uit die venster uit. Vrou het 'n ja.
Oh my god.
O nee, wag. O nee, wag. Wag. Ek wou nie dit gedoen het nie. Brother, amper veroorsaak ek 'n ongeluk. Oh no. Ek wou die venster uitgooi, nie na my ma se kop toe nie.
What are you thinking?
Ek's jammer.
Could have killed us.
Kyk hoe mooi die wound aan byn. Okay, kom ons gaan net die uit. Days until audition, 30 days. Ag, nou is ons forceer om hierdie goed te doen.
Don't answer that, Ben. You can talk to your friend after you practice.
Hallo? Hallo? I want to talk to... Okay, never mind. My ma sê ek mag nie na jou huis toe kom vir 'n bietjie yskoue ou ros en 'n PlayStation 1 game sessie nie. Moeder.
Oh my god. Is she really calling you again? What, is she obsessed with you?
Moeder! Hello, Chloe?
What are you doing? I explicitly asked you not to pick up the phone.
Moeder. Moeder.
Oh, what do you know about anything that's going on right now?
Okay, you know, I'd appreciate it if you wouldn't raise your voice like that.
Well, then don't stick your nose into things that you're completely checked out of.
Okay.
Oh no.
Did I just cause a fight with your parents? I'm sorry, dude, but you should also cherish these moments. My mom and dad used to fight, and I would always hate it, but now I actually miss it a lot. Anyway, so basically across the board, crustacean types perform well against mollusk types.
Well, sy het my gebel vir okay, vir huiswerk. Womp.
Anubis, in the presence of Ma'at, who you remember is the goddess of truth and justice, would weigh the deceased soul against a feather, determining whether it was worthy of entering into the land of the dead. And what if they are deemed unworthy? Well, you can see that ugly fur ball under the scale? That is Amamet, and she's got, and yes, that's a she.
Mr. Kid.
Yes. Fur of a lion. See,
look at it. Wag, wat?
And the body of a hippopotamus.
Wow. Sy het vir my nog 'n briefie geteken.
Well, I would not say that to her face.
Huh?
Now,
you want to get a picture feeling.
She's ready to devour any of the deceased who do not pass judgment.
Whoa. Whoa, okay.
He's so scared looking. Okay, I'll call you when I'm leaving my house. You better pick up my call, dude.
Okay, sy gaan ons nou bel. Okay. Days until audition 1. Okay.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the only reason she keeps coming here is to play that game you bought for him.
Okay, listen, I don't claim to understand the motives of children.
Benny has a chance here. A real chance to be really good at something.
Oh no.
I mean this is no offense at all. But I don't think you actually really understand what that is.
No, I suppose you're right.
Oh, Richard, please.
En wie se kant is julle? So die ma sê Chloe gebruik ons net vir ons PlayStation en die pa sê dit is nie so nie. Wie se kant is julle? Ek weet nie, especially na die brief wat sy vir ons in die begin gesê het, dink ek sy gebruik ons net vir die PlayStation. Straight. Hulle gebruik ons net vir die bloody wat is my game se naam? Ratchet & Clank. Jou begin kwaad te raak. Oeh, okay. Hey, bubblegum. Roan. Die papa se kant, okay. Waar is ons nou? Hallo? Oei. Lamp. Oh no.
Lights out. You need to be rested for tomorrow. Memory when you're asleep. So if you go to sleep now, you will awaken a master. Trust me.
Okay. Ek is jammer. Ek wil net gou 'n bietjie
Tell your son to turn the lights off.
Danny, Mom says turn the lights off.
Okay, pa. Straight. Sneak out or try to sleep. Ooh, julle, moet ons na Chloe toe gaan of moet ons maar net slaap? Moet ons na Chloe toe gaan of moet ons slaap? Dis ek 'n tyd. Wat moet ons kies? Ons kan ons eerste rebellious ding doen of ons moet gaan slaap. Ons kan actually ons eerste rebellious ding doen. Sneak out, sneak out, sneak out. Hi. Moenie vir my sê julle was so rustig gewees toe julle kinders was. Julle moet een keer sneak out, man. Once, at least once. Dit gaan oor die memories, julle onthou. Ons is soos wat? 13 jaar oud hierso. Dis hierdie liefde, dit maak nie sin nie. Ons is 13 jaar oud hierso. Ons is hier om 'n lekker tyd te hê. Net 'n bietjie uit die huis uit te sneak, want hierdie ma drill ons nou al die afgelope tyd. Sy drill ons hard. Sy drill ons hard. Kom ons gaan maak 'n draai. Gaan na haar toe, sneak out. Ek het op 13 uitgesneak. Nee, ek het nog nooit uitgesneak nie, want daar was die derde, daar was iewers om uit te sneakie. Okay.
Wow, didn't think you'd actually pick up. I'm a sticky for a baby. I apologize. Okay, so meet me out in the alley in T-minus now, okay? Chloe, out.
So gebruik die foon soos 'n walkie-talkie, okay. Waar is ons nou? Wag, wat? Hallo? Waar is ons nou?
You know, I'm really glad you're here.
Hey, ons het die regte keuse gemaak. Ek dink ek hoop.
There's something I've been meaning to talk to you about. Or to get off my chest.
Ja?
Okay. I don't think Kongsters is actually a really good game. My cousin Yoon, he was in town this weekend, and he was explaining how it's actually a ripoff of a really good Japanese game. He calls it a cash grab. So, I'm sorry that I made you like it because it's actually a terrible game.
Okay.
But I also think that if it was a really good game...
Nee man, wat gaan nou met die wifi aan? Die wifi moet nie nou so maak hier, hallo? Kan julle my hoor? Hallo? Can all of you still hear me? Hallo? Sorry, die wifi het 'n massive dip gevang. Okay, daar is hy, ons is terug, ek hoop ons is terug. Die wifi het net een massive dip gevang. Okay, ons is terug. We back.
Maybe we wouldn't have enjoyed playing it as much.
Wat staan nie?
We would have been so focused on how good it was and not the feelings we had while we were playing it. Like, my favorite vegetable is the tomato, but Yoon thinks that they're the grossest ever. And you're probably the least happy boy in the school, but I also like hanging out.
Stay here. Whoa.
Probably didn't sleep at all.
Whoa.
Out in the cold all night.
Oh no.
You're already feeling sick, aren't you?
Oh no. Maak jammer.
You still got this. I mean, all the practice had to count for something. Maybe just try and close your eyes now and get a little sleep on the way over.
Alles blur vir my.
I'm going to play the
Oh no!
Sound of mastery can seep into your subconscious a little, okay? Close your eyes, Ben. I'm going to be there soon.
Okay, hierdie ma begin bietjie van 'n control freak te raak. Ek gaan dood eerlik wees. Hierdie ma begin bietjie hierdie arme kind te tap. En ek weet presies wat hier aangaan. Die ma tap haar kind nou om haar drome waar te maak wat sy wou gewees het in haar lewe, maar sy kon dit nie gedoen het nie. Nou tap sy die kind om haar drome te vervul, maar die kind wil dit nie doen nie. Dis wat hier aangaan.
In your own time, Benjamin.
Oh no.
We are very excited to hear.
Ek wil nie hierdie doen nie, oom. Ek gaan ons first fail. ek wil nie hier wees nie. Brother, kyk hoe mal is daai goed. Okay, dis nou of nooit. Dis nou of nooit. Ooh, wag, ek begin uit te pas. Ek begin uit te pas.
Okay. I think that's enough.
Oh no. Oh no.
So,
oh no.
Benjamin, why don't we plan on having you come back next year again, once you've had a bit more time to practice? Yes? As you know, Burton isn't the right fit for every student, and I wish you the best of luck on your path, wherever it may take you, okay? All right.
Oh no.
I really want to thank you and your mother for coming all the way out here. I know it was quite the drive.
Brother. Jo. Nou gaan mama uitfreak. Nou gaan my PlayStation eers weggevat word. Stryd.
Maybe I pushed you too hard. Maybe I turned into my own father. I don't know.
Ja.
You have to find something to focus on.
Dis presies wat jy daar gedoen het.
The world isn't very kind to people who aren't really good at something.
Wat sê? Play big, be great. Gaan ons 'n gamer word?
About who you are, Benny. I'm worried about who you're going to become.
Ja, nog iets wat ons kan kyk hierso. Okay. Nee, maar ons is nou klaar in die kar, ja. Okay.
We want him home from school for a while. Just until this nasty thing clears.
Wat het ek nou? Het ek griep?
Would you mind taking a quick walk with me down to my office?
Wat het ek nou hierso?
Small clerical thing I need you to look at before I can let you two go.
Oh yes, of course. I'll be right back, Benny, okay?
Just maybe 5 minutes, kiddo. Okay?
Alright. Okay, I see you now. En nog iets anders waarmee ek mee kan rondspeel. Hier's baie goed om mee rond te speel in 'n dokter se office, ek weet dit vir 'n feit. Hallo? Dis 5 uur. Of 4 uur. Nee, daai is 4 uur. Dis 4 uur? Hey, jag. Okay, ek dink is al wat ons nou hier moet okay. Wonder wat fout was met my.
Time in his development. He shouldn't be confined to his room.
Yeah, look, having him home for a while means I can spend more time with him. You know? We can focus him, make sure he's staying engaged.
Can we please try to speak a little softer?
Hulle beskinder my. Hulle beskinder my in die kamer. Stryd. Hulle beskinder my. Dis Chloe se skuld. Hoe weet julle dit? Wat het arme Chloe gedoen? Wow. Waar is ek nou? Waar is ek nou? Jesus, kyk hoe vuil is hierdie plek, bro. Ek kan die plastiek en papier en alles. Jag, jy kan maar skiet, chom. Wat het hier gebeur?
This isn't video game time. I want you to figure out something actually productive to do while you're home from school.
Hierdie is productive. Ek werk my brein. Ek werk my brein. Austin, dankie vir die haat. Wie bees was, dankie vir die 3 populars. Okay. Kom ons kyk. O, wacht, die roomhuislorry. Daai ding het altyd 'n goeie beat gehad. Daai ding het altyd 'n goeie beat gehad. 'n giveaway box. Okay. Ai! Wat even, bro. So ons straai nou weer die ou goed uit wat ons gelike het ons. Okay. Wow, okay, ons begin actually te teken. Jag, Jom. Jy vra die verkeerde mens, maar praat jy van fokus om te leer of fokus om te skryf? Want die leergedeelte is nie my expertise nie, Jom. Ek sal sê, ja, gooi maar net jou foon in 'n boks en plak dit toe met sellotape, want dit is jou foon wat jy maar die hele tyd gooi jou foon in 'n boks toe, bra. Want ek weet party mense sukkel as hulle foon nie omtrek is. Gooi die boks heeltemal, gooi die foon in die boks en kruip hom weg. Want sodra jou foon naby jou is, wil die mense heeltyd TikTok.
What's he doing?
He's drawing.
Wow, so ons begin nou kunstenaar te raak. Ons begin nou kunstenaar te raak. Okay. Oh, ons begin heeltyd dieselfde ding oor en oor en oor te teken. Okay.
Well, ever since he got sick, all he does is make art.
Ever since he got sick. Okay, so vanaf ek siek geraak het, teken ek die hele tyd. Every time, everywhere. Okay.
And Mr. Benjamin Bryn has been awarded first place.
Oh! Let's go. Eerste plek. Let's go.
I really gotta thank you for this, Benny. Emma Bills is so pissed that weird camera kid won over her multiple horse portrait that she literally just left with her dad in tears.
Okay. Hoe lyk daai? Myne lyk beter, bra. Ek het shading en myne is 3D. Daai is alles 2D. Ek het hierdie een gewen, 100%. 100%. 100%. Kom ons kyk. Oh, what? Okay. Ja nee, maar ek wou duidelik die klavier gespeel het, ek wou geteken het, want just like it, brother. Okay, ons is daar. Ons is nou kunstenaar hierso. Wie's daai?
You are not here to learn to be
is die art professor. Dis die art professor.
You are here to learn to be artists. And although I was hired to teach you, it is a sham. There is no teaching art.
Daai lyk nie soos wat dit daar lyk.
Sit daar slack, Jod. Make art, you ponies.
Hy voet sek, man. Ek gaan jou laat fire. Moenie so op my kom skree, chom. Wie is jy, bra? Sonder my het jy nie 'n job nie. Sonder my het jy nie 'n werkie, bra. Sonder my het jy nie 'n werkie. Oh, nah, bra. Asseblief sê my jy het 'n broek aan. Asseblief sê my jy het 'n broek aan daarso. Nah, daar's niks vir haar aangaan nie. Nie meer teken nie. Oh no.
And fun.
No. Dankie tog, ek het hom nie al die pad beweeg nie. Dankie tog, ek het nie al die pad in beweeg nie. Jy's mal in jou kop. Ek het 'n sekond gesien, daar's niks daarso nie. Daar's niks daarso nie. What even, bra? Jy's mal.
It's very zany.
Daar's niks! Jy's mal, voetsek. Voetsek. Okay. Wow, okay. Moet ons hierdie nou reg time? Wat is hierdie ooit? Of is hierdie nou abstract?
Mr. Bryn?
Mr. Bryn? Daai model korte 10.
Feel each shape.
Brother, jy kan my huis toe gaan, ek gaan jou nie teken nie, hoor. Jy kan my huis toe gaan, ek seker daarvan, ek is nog minderjarig ook, ek dink ek is 15 hier so en jy's 'n kaal bra wat hier mang. Bel die polisie. Bel die polisie, chom, asseblief. Okay, dankie tog. Want ek gaan not 'n chance daai ou teken. Jy is mal. Jy is mal. You are crazy, brother. You are crazy. Not a chance. Ah, yes, nee. Bro.
I want you all to take a long look at what Mr. Bryn has done here.
Okay. The melkman se kind.
You see, he has reached down deep within himself.
Ek verstaan nie, die eerstes was vir my mooier. Ek verstaan nie wat so mooi van hierdie nie.
And created a masterpiece.
Okay.
I pray you have a strong hold on yourself, Mr. Bryn. For I fear with talent like these, you may soon be swept away by
modern art. Dis art. Nah, bro, ek sal nou vir jou 'n blurry paar pyncanisters daar mors. 5 miljoen rand. 5 miljoen rand straight. 5 miljoen. You know? Benjamin Bryn, jy's joke.
The ironic sincerity of this piece is so sincerely ironic.
He's flipped the discourse so thoroughly, I'm actually dizzy.
Ek weet. Dit het my so 100 ure gevat. Dis perfek. Dis perfek. Okay.
I know that lots of agents gave you lots of cards, and it all probably feels weird.
Ek like daai. Ek like daai. I like that.
Of what being a starving artist is supposed to feel like. But if I can teach you one thing, it's that if opportunity knocks,
wag nee. Ek soek 'n sekere een.
Living isn't selling out.
Wie praat met my?
I wish I had thought of it that way.
That's what I want. Nog iets? Woo!
Marvelous show last night.
Never mind.
Stunning. I've never been prouder.
Dit is so netjie. Nou daai lyk pragtig. Hierdie sal ek verkoop. Hierdie sal ek verkoop. Ek like daai kunsmeneer nie. Ek like regtig daai kunsmeneer nie.
You're not selling your soul.
Contract. Crumble the contract or sign the contract. Nee, maar wow. Hoe kan ek nie lees wat op die kontrak staan nie? Ek moet weet wat op die kontrak staan. Hierdie is seker 'n major art plek, nee. Teken die kontrak. Hierdie is seker 'n art company. Hierdie is dink ek 'n art company, nee. Leen, hierdie is kom ek gee gou vir jou die naam. Hierdie is Before Your Eyes. Teken dit. Ek het 'n YouTube channel. Julle is in my TikTok bio. Sign the contract. Okay.
I've got a good feeling about you.
Dankie man.
We're going to make a lot of money together, aren't we?
Ek wil nie meer die kontrak teken nie. Die manier hoe sy dit gesê het, nee. Die manier hoe sy dit gesê het, sy gaan my net gebruik vir my geld. Ek wil dit nie meer teken nie. Oh, is hy Chloe?
Actually making some money with one's art. Lord knows I
nee, is my ma. Nee, wag, is daai Chloe? Ek weet nie. Is either my ma of Chloe. Cheers.
Ooh, that's good. So, now that you've made it,
I'll give you follows, julle.
Tell me, what are you going to do with it?
I'm going.
Besides buy me fancy dinners like this every week, obviously.
Wie is jy?
Used to this.
Jou ma. Dit lyk so.
I'm getting a salad and an appetizer, and I'm already stealing the bread. Look at that butter. Oh my gosh, it's in the shape of a swan. Oh my god. I never thought I'd see the day where you would take me out to dinner, but I like it.
Okay, so okay, hier is my ma. Hier is my ma.
I can get soup at home.
Hey, okay, so ons gaan nou weer teken. Oh, hierdie een wil ek mooi maak. Ek wil hierdie een mooi ligtelik maak. Ek wil dit lekker ligtelik maak.
Is it Indian print? Oh my god. I think it is.
Okay. Okay. I'm cooking. Let me cook. Oh, I'm cooking, bro. Watch me. Watch it. Hierdie een met die. Oh, brother, I'm cooking. Multimiljonair. Kan ek nog ietsie bysit hierdie? But brother, I cooked, bro. I cooked with this one. Oh, wag, ek ry al kar.
Hey, honey. Your work's incredible. The
new
stuff is wowing us all. But Ben, I've had an idea. You know, the critics are fickle. How about if you go back to
What? Dis daai wat ek nou net geteken het.
something meaningful,
Dis daai wat ek nou net geteken het.
personal, close to your heart?
Okay. Die maai te veel wyn in. Kom ons lees gou. Wat sê die critics hierso oor my goed? Om te dink dat iemand actually die goed. Ja, dit is so. Hey, dankie vir die follow klokkie. Dit is so Phoebes, dit is so, is nogal bloody nice. Captivating. Brian reinvents Revenation and the reinvents it again. Okay. If you have eyes, you will love the show. Enigiets wat ek kan point. Dankie vir die follows julle, ek waardeer. Okay. Hallo?
Hey, Ben. Don't even pick up this call, okay? I mean it. I'm just calling to inform you that I went to the doctor today.
Oh, no.
And, well,
Oh, no.
I'm gonna be a little sick for a while.
Oh, no.
But really, I don't want you worrying about it at all.
Hallo?
Oh, Benny, I told you not to pick up. There's nothing you can do for me right now. All you can do is just keep painting, keep striving. You make that work of true genius. I can just tell you're almost there. So, I'm going to hang up the phone now, and you're just going to get back to work, okay?
Oh no, okay.
Bye, Benny.
So ons ma was by die dokter. Ons ma was by die dokter toe raak ons ma siek. Okay. Nou, ek wil nie daai ad nie. Hierdie lyk vir my mooi. Daai lyk vir my mooi.
But that's enough from me. Now you'll hear from the person who I believe is the single thing in the world my wife was most proud of. Her magnum opus, so to speak. I think you all know who I'm talking about. Benny? You ready to come up here?
Bro! Oh no, ons ma's dood, bro. Oh no. Hierdie het 'n baie vinnige turn gevat, hy. Hierdie het 'n baie vinnige turn of 'n wens gevat. Yo, broeder. Daai was vinnig. Oh no. Oh no.
Go on, B. Say something. What's wrong? Why aren't you talking?
Bra, ek gaan nou uitpaas. Maar dan gister saam met Tannie Susan wyn gedrink. Nee, onthou elke keer wat ons oë knip, is dit soos maande, partykeer jare wat ons vorentoe gaan in tyd. So hierdie was dalk soos dalk 'n paar maande of dalk 'n jaar laas wat ons daai wyn gedrink het saam met haar. Jo.
Hey, honey. Guess who's calling? Again. Look, you know I talk to big, important...
Ek like hierdie agentie, ek like van hierdie agentie.
...your life every day.
Ek sê daai ding, Nikki.
What am I supposed to say? What do you want me to say? That I haven't heard from my star client in 6 months?
6 maande!
Getting ridiculous. You've got to get it together.
Nou, ek het geweet ek moes daai kontrak geteken het. Ek moes daai kontrak geteken het. Hierdie mense is money hungry. Hulle soek net die geld. Hulle soek net die geld.
Hey. Benny.
Oh, ek kan nie meer teken nie. Ek kan nie meer teken nie.
Well, here's the call. We're finished. We're done so kaput. It's over.
Oh no.
Would you shut the hell up, Tabitha? I'm trying to fire a client in here. Who? Some washed up, stick up his ass, too good to sell prick. Probably isn't even listening to this message, but you know, Mama's got to put her rage somewhere. Oh shoot it. Am I still on?
Nah. Nah.
Well, Benny, love you lots. Mwah.
Ek like daai vrou nie. Ek like daai vrou nie.
Hey B, just calling to tell you, I think I'm selling the house. She's everywhere here, son. I can't move without bumping into her.
Ooh.
And then I just find myself breaking down again. I hope you understand.
Ons pa gaan ons familiehuis koop. Verkoop, nie koop nie. Fire you, my love you
Whatever
lots.
you want. With your mother gone, I'm hoping to finally live without all the clutter. I'm just so glad you got to speak to her one last time. I mean, I know she told you not to pick up the phone, but, well, I'm just so happy that you did.
Wow, ja, ons
She
het die
just
foon
wanted you to
opgetel.
focus on your work. That was the only thing that mattered to her.
Okay. Wat sê julle, moet ons bootjie wat ons hele kunsting begin het weggooi of moet ons hom keep? Moet ons hom weggooi of moet ons hom keep? Ons bootjie. Die pa lyk grys. Ja, hy doen. Keep, ja. Metronome, of course, ons keep daai, dis die ma se metronome.
What's that? That's so fascinating, son.
Hierdie is haar, dis haar musiekboek. Dis haar musiekboek. Okay. Ooh. Jo, okay. Die het jy miskien baie diep geraak, bra. Baie diep.
Look. It's unbelievable, Benny. It's like she's standing in the room with us. Like I can see her in the paint. I can feel her.
Wow, dis ons nuwe art piece. The Passing Day.
Is that really you? It's Chloe.
Dis Chloe, bro. Dis Chloe.
My God, I can't believe this. It's been years. I just walked through the entire show. It's unbelievable. I'd love to walk through it again with you. I mean, if you were down for that.
Okay, ja, ek gaan jou nou antwoord, maar kom ek lees net gou hierso. The Passing Day. Inspired by the musical composition of his late mother, the composer Alice Stevens, relatively unknown in her life, Brian lifted his mother's work out from obscurity with the creation of this piece. She is now considered to be one of the great composers of her time. Okay, ek moes nie daai daar gesit het nie. Ek het nie geweet dit gaan daar so kom nie. Maar okay, ja, kom ons gaan. Kom ons gaan.
I just can't believe that my entire childhood I was living next to a bona fide genius.
Ja, en jy het my sleg gesê.
With all those little drawings you did.
En jy het my sleg gesê. No problem. I hope you had a good time, Vantern. I hope you had a good time. Hierdie een het hy gedoen nog toe ons in Greece. Wow, ons het ons gesê ons van na Greece toe gaan, toe het ons na Greece toe gegaan. So ek dink as ons na Egypt toe gegaan het, sou ons in Egipte gaan teken het. Okay. So daai sou nogal cool gewees het.
And your mom. I always heard her playing piano from next door, but I didn't know she wrote the actual music. She was a genius.
Die musiek en alles is
like
weg.
Mother, like son, I guess.
Alles begin kon te raak.
Hey,
hier is ons heel eerste
not
part.
to be forward, but what are you doing after this? Maybe we could get a drink or something?
Nah! Ek trust you nie meer nie. Ek voetsek. Ek trust you nie meer nie. Not a chance. No.
I'd really love to catch up. I can't believe everything that's happened to you. I want to hear all about it.
Wat gaat nou hier aan, hallo?
Now would you look at that?
Wat gaat nou hier aan?
I cannot believe my luck.
Hey Jan, let's go. Is ons nou weer terug? Ons is nou weer... Wat maak die jou?
Jackpot, Flapjack. All the nobody nothings dying every day. You finally sink your hook into a... Oh, well, there you are. Well, hello, sir. If I had realized, I would have cleaned up. I'm just used to fishing up a different class of soul. I mean, sure, I've had scientists, a couple college athletes here or there, but... Whew, internationally renowned painter? The gatekeeper's gonna eat you up. Hey, speaking of that, why don't we give your story a test run? Maybe you help me out.
Okay.
Word choice, since, you know, I'm still working on that. See if I'm getting all the strokes right. The proper composition, if you catch my drift. Forget about it. All right, here we go.
Die plek is massive.
Gatekeeper! Before you stands the soul of a great man. Now,
you describe yourself
as a happy kid or a lonely one?
Happy or lone? Okay. Ons moet nou dink wat het gebeur in die begin. Daar was
a jovial child or a solitary one.
Ek sou sê happy.
Hey, not bad.
Ek sou sê happy. Die begin was alright. Never mind. Nie na die briefie wat ons gekry het. Okay, ja nee, lonely. Ja nee. Julle is reg. Ek het vergeet. I forgot.
His childhood was a lonely one. Growing up as a strange, quiet child
in an
isolated seaside town. And, what'd you say your mom was? A composer or an accountant?
Sy was okay. Hierdie is waar dit gaan opgesny word. Sy was 'n composer in die begin. Sy het baie klavier gespeel, maar toe begin haar werk haar lewe oor te neem. Toe was sy 'n accountant vir baie lank. Maar op die ou einde die regte persoon wie sy regtig wou wees was die composer.
His mother was a composer who, with the need to support her family, took a job as an accountant. How would you describe her as a teacher? More encouraging or demanding?
Okay, hierheen gaan ons
like your champion or more like a taskmaster.
Ek kan nie een keer onthou wat sy encouraging was nie. Sy was baie demanding die hele tyd. Sy was so demanding geweest, ons het amper geblerry, ons het 'n hartaanval gekry on stage. Sy was baie demanding geweest.
Therefore, as his piano teacher, she was over-demanding, forcing him to practice day in and day out, hoping that he might one day achieve that greatness that she never could.
Ek was reg met daai gedeelte gewees.
How about that neighbor girl? What was she to you? Was she your best friend or your first love? Be honest here.
Be honest.
Don't be bashful, man. You can tell me.
Ek weet nie enigiemand sal een hierdie oggend uitsneek om onder matrasse te gaan lê onder die sterre nie. Ek weet nie wat sy vriende het julle nie. Okay, ek sê maar wat julle sê.
But on the eve of his big audition, he completely dropped the ball, staying up all night with his best friend, blowing it the next day. Now, from that moment forward, his mother gave up on him. She knew he didn't have what it took to be a truly great musician. She just picked the wrong medium, right? See, when he was 12 years old, he got sick, and he had to stay inside for an entire year.
Bro, wat 'n siekte het ek gehad?
He rediscovered a talent.
Wat 'n siekte het ek gehad? Want ek was siek vir 'n jaar, bro. Weet jy hoe erg is dit? Joehoe, okay.
Talent he'd forgotten. Painting.
Yo.
Sure, he loved finger painting as a child. Color and shape were the first languages he learned to speak. But for the first time, he saw it in a more serious light. He was accepted into an exclusive art school where he caught the eye of an esteemed professor who launched his work into the national spotlight. Now be quiet, all of you. With expectations on his career mounting, he stalled himself into bankruptcy, which turned out to be a blessing, for it wasn't until he returned home to the house he grew up in that he began work on what would ultimately
Brother! Ek gaan elke liewe van julle in KFC en verander.
I said shut up, you dumb girls!
It's like Hulle wil nie ophou nie.
All right! I get it! I hear what you're saying. I hear what you're saying.
Straight, yo!
Assumed as much anyway. I should probably tell you, those things, they're not regular gulls. They're lyre birds. They're what becomes of souls who try to lie to the gatekeeper.
Oh no!
If they try that, they're never allowed near her city again.
Oh no!
I get to feeling bad for not defending them right, so they just stay on with me. Living reminders of my oratory shortcomings.
Oh, yeah, good thinking. I'll be back to get you once I'm done with this one.
Yo, okay.
Hopefully you won't be seeing him again.
Waar is ons? Dit lyk soos die toring van Maze Runner. Ek weet nie of julle dit al gekyk het nie. Dit is presies wat dit lyk. Lyk soos die toring van die Maze Runner. Lyk vir die follows julle.
Just look at him. Poor fool doesn't know what he's in for.
Met wie praat jy, John? Oh no. Oh no. Waar is ons nou?
Now don't think that I haven't dealt with people like you. You're ashamed of something.
Bro, what's
so terrible? You're trying to blink right past it. Because if the gatekeeper knew, she'd have to dream up fresh new hells to punish someone as worthless as you. And I'm sure you're right. I'm sure you're the rottenest soul that I ever fished out of that black muck. And I should have thrown you back and sanitized my paw as soon as I laid eyes on you. But it's too late for that.
Dink hier die oues mee aan
this together.
Die oues mee happy nie hoor.
Gatekeeper, she'll see right through your fake lies as if they were glass.
Ek sal gaan moet
So I'm gonna ask you again.
Ek sal gaan met Thomas
start from the very beginning. And this time I want the truth.
Oh, hy het geweet ons het iewers gelieg.
Ons het schoolyard staring contest.
Ons het iewers gelieg. Ons het iewers gelieg. Ons het iewers vir hom gelieg. Okay.
Wag.
Oh, just like hierdie ou maak nie reg nie. Hy skiet ons sommer reg deur ons hele memory lane. Oh, bro. Wat het gebeur met ons kat? Wat het gebeur met Ernie?
Come on, keep blinking. I haven't found it yet.
Doesn't that make you feel happy?
Ons het nooit na Ernie toe gegaan nie.
You know, my father once told me when I was about your age.
Oh, bro.
This. Stay here.
What die foon. Ons was nooit by die oupa het nooit by ons 'n draai kom maak nie. Ek onthou hierdie presies. Toe vra ek nog wat het gebeur op die phone call. Ons was nie daar vir die phone call gewees nie. Hallo?
I'm getting it.
Ek wonder, Trish.
Hello? Yes, of course. This is Elle, his daughter.
Oh, ek was reg.
See, she knew she hadn't yet lived up to her father's expectations. And now, she never could. Let's keep going.
You really need to stay in touch. This would be eternally indebted.
What did you just say?
This isn't a trip down memory lane. Yes, I understand about the cat. Let's keep going.
Oh, hierdie is wat ons moes gesien het. Hierdie is wat ons moes gesien het. Moenie vir my, ons het nog nooit die kat weer. Ons het Ernie nooit na dit gesien nie, nadat die hond die geknorrery gemaak het nie. Ernie, ja. Ernie was geëet deur die hond.
Keep your eyes open. I need to see.
Ernie was geëet deur die hond. Oh no. Ek wou gesê het, ons het Ernie glad nie weer gesien nadat ons hierdie ding gehoor het nie. Toe was hy net gone. Sy. Net heeltemal weg. Oh, bro. Coyotes, brother.
The death of those cats must have taught you a terrifying lesson.
Die coyotes.
That simply being alive wasn't enough. So then you went to work to make yourself sensational.
Listen to him, Richard.
I like hanging out with you a lot.
Stay here.
Weird because after what happened with my mom, I never like hanging out with anyone.
I know you want to stay here, man, but we don't have the time.
Yo, okay.
I'm not worried about who you are, Benny.
Hey, Elle, would you mind taking a quick walk with me down to my office?
Come on, keep blinking.
Ek wonder wat nodig hy nou actually. Hey, Rian, dankie vir die glow stick.
Staying engaged.
Can you please try to speak a little softer?
Okay. Bra, ek is toch al afgesit hier my arme kat. Just like it. Alien.
What's the point?
Oh.
What do you mean? What's the point?
Ons eavesdrop nou.
What does that mean?
What's the point of any of it? If he's never gonna get any better.
Oh no.
Okay. Let's not say that. Okay? No. We know we don't mean it.
I know I don't. I know.
I mean, what if he heard one of us saying something like that?
I'd never forgive myself.
It's okay. He's asleep. But it's okay.
Wat het hulle gesê?
I see. You got sick. You howled at the moon, at the top of your lungs.
Bra, die game vat 'n mens op 'n hele toer. Okay.
You were sick for a long time, weren't you? Sicker than healthy kids are supposed to get? Well, no matter how painful it gets, I need you to remember. We're almost at the end of this. I promise.
Okay. What? Die PlayStation gedeelte.
I want you to figure out something actually productive to do while you're home from school.
Huh. Hey Monique, dankie vir die vingerraad. Oh.
Try writing with it.
Het ek begin... Wow, ek onthou nie hierdie nie.
Well, hello, Benny.
High school.
It was your grandfather's, but I used it in college to write lyrics.
Hey Monique, dankie vir die You're Awesome. So artsy.
Exactly. It was very artsy. Actually, I was just good at fooling your dad. Made him think I was some kind of genius.
What do I write about? Okay.
Why don't you write the story of your life so far?
Story of my life?
What you're going to do once you get better.
Okay.
That's the story I want to hear.
Ek wil 'n manager word by McDonald's. Straight. Dit gaan goed en daar sal julle The Great Life of Benjamin Brin. His childhood was a lonely one, growing up a strange and quiet child in an isolated seaside village or town. Okay, daar's hy, daai maak meer sin. His mother was a composer. Okay, sover het ons die waarheid gepraat. Okay.
Man, this is wild.
Wow, jy het hierdie gesien nie.
Didn't you?
Jy het by hierdie gesien nie.
Oh, here I am. But on the eve of his big audition, he completely dropped the ball, staying up all night with his best friend and blowing it the next day. Best friend? Okay, Benny.
Imagine ons het nou gesê first love.
We really could have just slept on the beach another night, but I'm also glad we didn't because, well, another night wouldn't be the same night, if that makes sense. Okay, back to the story.
Ooh.
You are going to be in there for about 30 minutes, so try to get comfortable.
Okay. Okay.
You're doing great, buddy. Just a little longer, okay?
Ek wonder.
Knock, knock. You're gonna be so annoyed with me, but I couldn't help but overhear Chloe reading loud from what I think was your story.
Ek sal ook uitfreak as ek daar sou lê.
I know. I promised myself I wouldn't eavesdrop, but I would really love to read it if you'd let me. What do you say? You know I'm such a big fan of anything you do.
Waar is dit ooit? Waar is dit? Ek wil hê jy moet dit lees, maar ek weet nie wat dit is nie. Oh no.
Just go in there and tell him you loved it.
I'm sorry, I just can't.
Oh no.
Not right now.
Okay, don't worry. Just go to bed. I'll talk to you.
Hallo julle.
Hey B. Just want you to know that Mom loved your story. She's just...
Sy het nie daarvan gehou nie, omdat ons gesê het sy was 'n demanding teacher.
Yeah, I think it was just very emotional for her to read. But I thought it was great. I mean, look at this. His childhood was a lonely one, growing up a strange and quiet child in an isolated seaside town. I mean, I'm certainly bummed you feel that way. But what I want to know is, where'd you learn to write so well? All those cool words! Reads like Dickens! Really just very cool stuff, kiddo. You should be very proud, okay? Okay. Love you, buddy.
Benjamin Bryn was a loser. He was the worst Bryn to ever live. He didn't even try to fight the disease inside him. He just laid down and died. Het ek dood gegaan hierso? Maar dit maak nie sin nie. Die pa was altyd positief, ja. Oh no, wat gaat nou hier aan? Hallo? Oh no, brother, hallo? Oh no. Julle my YouTube naam is in my TikTok bio. In my TikTok bio.
So if he's ever in pain, all he needs to do is press that red button and the drug will administer itself.
Thank you so much. You know, I know my wife would normally want to thank you herself.
No, I understand. It hits mothers the hardest, this sort of thing.
Thank you for understanding. It's been a rough one.
Jo, okay. Wat? Dog ek's in my slaapkamer. O, wag, ek is. O, dis hierdie mobile beddens.
Hey, Eddie. Yeah, hey man, it's Richard. Listen, I know Elle's been missing in action, but I just want you to understand things have taken a really bad turn here. Yeah, no, that's not going to be possible. To be honest, your whole tone is pissing me off right now. Yes, I understand you have a business to run. It's a very cliche thing to say to me in a time like this. Okay. Well, then I guess all I can say is screw you too. I said screw you too. Yeah, man, that's all I got.
Oh, where's Chloe?
Hey, this isn't funny, you know. What, you're too scared to talk to me? Well, just so you know, I know you're faking. Because if you were really sick, like actually sick, you'd have told me already. I happen to actually know about this stuff. So the fact that you are faking, just so you don't have to go to school with me, is actually ridiculous.
Is dit my pa?
I remember when you were just 4 years old.
Ek neem aan daai is die virus.
Pretty tough time. I mean, not as tough as now, but yeah, her music had been rejected, and she's having trouble adjusting to her quiet little life out here, and I feared that
hierdie game laat 'n mens dink, hoor.
I was losing her. But then you played this on the piano, and your little hands reaching up for the keys. She just couldn't believe how gifted you were. Once she heard that, well, it was like you brought her right back to me. So, I was wondering if maybe you could do that trick again. Try closing your eyes. See if you can remember.
Okay. Hey, dankie julle. Moon, ja, natuurlijk.
How did you figure out how to play that?
Dankie Nella, ek waardeer. Hey julle. Wie's daai? O, is my ma.
Keep playing, B. She's listening.
Okay, ek neem aan hierdie moes weggegaan het op 'n tyd want ons het oud geword. So die moes soos weggegaan het. Oh! Bro! Is dit hy? Brother! Dis Ernie! Dis Ernie! Ernie is hier. Ernie is met ons. Ek tog Ernie is dus. So, dit was net die babiekies. Ernie is met ons. Nog al die pad. Nog al die pad is Ernie hierso. Auwee!
What are you doing now? She's gonna make you sick.
Oh, it's okay. I'm just so happy she's here.
Bro, Ernie is hierso.
Show this cat some real love. She's been through more than we can even imagine. Oh, her poor fur. Richard, we have to give Ernie a haircut, okay?
Yo, okay.
Give her a sashimi plate.
What?
What? I think she more than deserves it.
Oh no, die ding raak al hoe groter. Die ding raak al hoe groter.
She hasn't been over. Like, she didn't even care to visit?
No, I mean, I don't think he's told her.
And you're just letting that
hulle praat nou van dinge soos Chloe.
You know how Benny is.
She lost her mother a year ago. You knew that, right?
No, but what does that have to do with...
Okay, do we have her dad's number?
I don't know. Check the book.
Okay, I'm calling now.
Honey.
Hulle praat van dinge soos Chloe. Gaan goed JK daarso. Die ding raak massive hoor. Die ding raak massive.
Oh my god, you're an idiot.
What?
You do realize this is really nothing special to me. I've seen this all before.
Ek wonder of ons nou moet skryf.
About what you said in the story the
Dis nou elke keer wat ons saam met Chloe is, kyk ons na sterre, so ek weet nie of dit 'n realignment moet gemaak iewers nie.
I have done that. But hey, what are you looking at?
Oh, sorry.
Don't look up there. Look at me. I'm talking to you.
Okay, ja, ek luister maar die game wil hê ek moet hierdie doen.
I want to give you something. But I think I don't want to be in the room when you see what it is.
Okay.
So maybe if you close your eyes, I can give it to you and I'm going to leave. Close your eyes now, okay?
Okay. Ek dink is 'n love letter. Ek dink is 'n love letter. Kom ons kyk. You are my best friend. Dis omdat ons best friend gesê het vir die wolf. So hierdie het ook 'n paar verskillende eindes wat 'n mens kan gaan. Okay. Sy begin nou te soften up op ons. Dis goed. Oh no, bro. Friendzone.
What is that?
It's something new I'm working on.
So you're writing again?
It's just a melody that came to me. It feels good to play it.
It's sad.
Yeah, well, that would make sense. But do you like it?
I mean, yeah. I love everything you do.
What do you like about it?
Not this old trap.
Go on. I'm waiting.
Well, it made me feel like if the unspeakable darkness I'm carrying can be so well expressed, maybe it's not so unspeakable. Nailed it, didn't I?
Yeah. I mean, that was pretty good.
Ek wonder wat die is. Ek weet wat dit is, maar ek wonder hoe gaan dit weggaan, want dit moes weggaan net op 'n tyd. Jy kan sien ek raak al hoe swakker want ek kan nie meer eet of niks nie. Soos my karakter het niks meer krag om niks te doen nie. Wow. Die hele virus het my nou oorgeneem. Ek het nie meer krag om enigiets van die goeders te doen nie.
I can't breathe.
I know.
It's okay.
Oh no.
Benny, I understand. There's no need to show me anymore.
No, Richard, it's like I can't breathe.
Whoa. Wat het nou gebeur?
You know, for a while now, I've wondered if I'm just not a good enough storyteller. If I just don't have grand enough words, can't tell grand enough stories. But grand words and stories, I think they may be overrated.
Yo. Okay, sweet. Die was diep, bro.
I know just what to tell her. Watch for her now. I've seen the gatekeeper take many forms depending on the soul I bring her. But once you see her, you'll know. Believe me. I should go get ready.
Ja,
don't worry.
Okay.
We got this.
Dis mos mooi so. Die kom met deel waar baie mense huil, is dit? Vir wie wag ons nou? Ek like hoe hier legit net so 'n klomp visse hier so is. Hey Lally. Bra, hierdie lyk soos hier gaan 'n krokodil nou hier uitspring. Dis is wat dit lyk. Hey, hallo Jamie. Is dit dinge sis? Oh! Wag, wow, hallo?
Wish me luck.
Daai kat het een oog.
Gatekeeper, before you sits the soul of a child who died before he could grow old.
That means she's ready to hear your story.
Oh, so ons het dood gegaan toe ons jonk was. Daai hele begin gedeelte was 'n droom basies. What?
You know, I never told you how much I loved your story. It's really so imaginative, and the person you wrote about is such an interesting and intense guy. My only issue was, well, I didn't like him very much.
Hey Jaden, het gaan goed hier nou so.
So, I wanted to read you something I wrote for you, which is about the Benny I've known for 11 years now. It's called The Great Life of Benjamin Brin. Benjamin Bryn was born into an ordinary home, to an ordinary mother and father in a small town by the sea. His mother was a composer, or at least that's what she dreamed she'd be. So, when her own dreams didn't pan out, she began to dream for him. But then, when he was just 11 years old, he got sick and was forced to stay inside for an entire year. And in that year, he began to worry that he hadn't lived enough. So he made up a story of the great life he thought he wanted to live.
Oh, bro.
Which only made him forget the great life he already had. How he had filled a new home with light and joy and promise. How he met a girl, his neighbor, who felt all alone in the world and made her feel okay again. And how, even when he was sick, he still gave his parents hope. How he reminded them exactly who they were after they had almost forgotten. So when he knew he was going to go, he was okay. Because he'd already lived a great life, a full life. And he was everything he needed to be, just as he was.
Yo, okay.
She accepts. Close your eyes now, and keep them closed.
Why is he smiling like that?
He must be somewhere that he likes.
Jo. Ja! Daai was nou iets gewees, hè? That was something, hè?